Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and yes, thanks for giving me 1K subscriber. So today we are going to start the series of how to play piano step by step. So you will get each and every lesson step by step how to play piano. So we will start with a very basic lesson. If you never ever play piano, if you don't know anything about it, whether piano or keyboard for now, so I think this lesson is for you. So let's start. First we will see the pattern of the piano. It's like 2 black, 3 black, 2 black, 3 black, 2 black, 3 blacks. It's a group of keys. As we know in English alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. In the same way, we learn the piano in Western way, the same alphabets. So, if I start from very beginning, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B and again C. So, it's going on like that. But yes, before we go there, I am going to teach you one more thing. So first, how to remember these names. So first see 2 black keys always, and the left key which is here, it always tells this is the C. So if you count how many C's in your keyboard, whatever keyboard you have, maybe 5, maybe 6, maybe 7 or 8. So like I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 2 black keys, the left key is called C. Second, 3 black keys, the group of 3 black keys, the left one is F. So it's easy to remember, this is 2 black keys C, this is 3 black keys F. Now you can count F. So if we start from A, definitely this is A. But as in Indian music we say sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. In the same way in Western music we call C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So C note is considered as sa. So with the left hand too. Correct? So this is sa re ga ma, you can say, or in Western music it's called C scale. So for this scales we will talk about later in the videos, but for now we need to learn the notes. So 2 black keys C, then definitely after C D, then E, we know this is F, F, G, and after G we will come on A, then B, back to C. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. Second thing what we need to know about this keyboard, that this C to C, it's called an octave. Octave, it's O-C-T-A-V-E, octave. Okay, so what is octave exactly? This octave consists 12 notes. How? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 5 more notes. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So total 7 and 5, 12 notes. So C to B, it's definitely an octave, but we complete it with the C. As we complete sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa, sa again. So this is called octaves. Now you can try to count how many octaves do you have in your keyboard or piano. We should know the finger's name. So this thumb is called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So basically the after the third C, this portion is for the right hand and this portion for the left hand. It's not a hard and fast and rule we have to follow, but yes, for the basic theory, we can say yes, this is for the right hand, this is for the left hand, just for the basic things. So this is the first exercise which you all have to do. Keep your thumb on C, means your first finger. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is our third octave. Now go with our second octave. Left hand should be little finger on the C. It's totally opposite. So thumb is on G and little finger is on C. This is a position. And when you play piano, make sure you're playing with this pose. You're not supposed to keep your finger like this, straight. No, it should be little folded as you're holding a ball in your hand. Little bit folded. Then same the left hand. So slowly the left hand. First make sure one time one note. Some people keep playing this all together. No, you are not supposed to press like all the keys. Just one time, play one key, when you leave this note, then press this. Press now this. Leave, press. Same way. So first practice this. Your hand should not be like this, not like this. It should be on the keyboard or piano like this, simple. Slowly, once you are able to play in that speed with the right hand, then go ahead with your left hand. Keep your position same. Leave, press, leave. Not like this. So together. How we will practice this together. So once you are thinking, now you are able to play separately both hands easily, then only try both hands together. So try this finger and this thumb together. You can try 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly. Still, suppose if you are not able to do in a single time together, so start for 4 times. play with me. Play 4 times at least. Repeat this whole process 3 to 4 times. Once you are able to do 4 times both hands together, then start with 3 times. Make sure you are placing your correct fingerings. Back. Once you are able to do this, then repeat this 3 to 4 or 5 times, as many times as you want to do. Then go with the 2 times. Now, once you are able to do with the 2 times, then it's ready for the 1 time, both hands together. And play at least 20 times like this in the same speed. Gradually, you will find you are speeding up. So that's all for today. And please comment and tell me if you like this video and you want more videos like this.